A local thrift store had this JVC Graphic Equalizer, the SEA-12 Sound Effect Amplifier. I don't often find graphic equalizers, and the price was right, so I grabbed it. This is a 2x7 band graphic equalizer which separates and controls the volume for frequencies starting at 63 Hz, 160 Hz, 400 Hz, 1 kHz, 2.5 kHz, 6.3 kHz, and 16 kHz. There's also a -6 dB attenuation switch to lower the line-in level, and two separate inputs and outputs labeled line in, line out, and tape play, tape record. Overall, the unit is in very good condition with minimal scratching. I'm guessing this was made in the late 1980s, and it has a unique bronze color to it, which probably wouldn't match most systems. It is all metal on the bottom, which is nice. Looking at the back, we can see both the line in, out, and tape record play inputs and outputs. At one point, apparently, this was refurbished because there is a refurbished sticker. It also has an unswitched outlet, 150 watts at 120 volts, which is nice. And really the only thing to do with this is to play around with it. So I've attached the line out of this CD player to the line in of the graphic equalizer, and then the equalizer line out is going into these amplified speakers.